Alright guys, another awesome review from Sabre. This is the Sabre TV Light Simulator. Gives the appearance of someone watching TV. Okay, so this deters thieves. Pretty cool product. The only thing that it says up here, watch this, it says fake TV. You know what would have been funny? If they said, as seen on fake TV. I know I'm a dork. Anyway, so what this thing does, simulates a light of a real television, gives the appearance that someone is at home watching TV, great deterrent. Point at the shades or translucent window coverings. Built-in light sensor, timer, AC adapter included. So we're going to open this thing. Okay. Fake TV. So here's the plug-in. Pretty self-exclamatory. This is not that hard to figure out, okay? So here's the three settings for this thing. We got, alright, so here's the three settings for this thing. We got off. Let's see, it says dusk plus 5 hours. So I guess that's, here's the middle button. So it's got one. Oh, look at that. It's like, see how it's like a TV? Like the lines on a TV. And then it's got this thing. I'm going to turn the lights off. Okay, guys, so here's the light going right against the wall. Here's it going against this. So, I'm not going to go outside and go crazy with this thing, but it works, man. This does look like a TV is running. It looks like a different show is playing, you know, the scene is switching up, you know. Angelina Jolie is doing her thing, getting in the bathtub, so the lights change color. So it works. It's a good little deterrent for thieves. It really keeps people away, particularly if you're on vacation. So this thing's a nice little deterrent for. This thing's a nice little thief deterrent. I like it. It's a cool product. I haven't seen anyone make one of these in the past before. I'm gonna have an Amazon link below to get one of these. This is a great thief deterrent. I think it's even better than just a timer on a light because, you know, a light can be on or off, but like someone watching a television, that's a way better deterrent. Amazon link below. Great little product. Not very expensive at all. And made by a reputable company that's been around for decades. Sabre. I like it. I think it's a cool thing. I really can't say anything that bad about it. You know, doesn't need to be battery powered. Simple little tool. I like it. Chmelaeon out. One more thing I gotta add to the fake TV review. This is the instruction. Look how cute this picture is. Look at that stick figure. The little burglar stick figure is like, man, there's some TV. There's some TV watching going on in there. It must be a person. I don't know why that's so funny. That's hilarious. Anyway, so there's some instruction there on how to do it through funny stick figures. You can pause this video anytime if you really want to read this stuff. Here's some advice for neighbors and stuff. Prepare for the worst. Remove obvious temptations. Yeah, guys, one more thing about protecting your home. You know, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So, this is an ounce of prevention right here, you know? Don't leave obvious signs, you know? You can't just be stupid about your stuff. This is a good product, though. I recommend it.